So it's springtime, time to put up a clothesline. We've never had a clothesline, but this year we thought, hey, let's put up a clothesline, and it's already proven to be pretty good. Put these jeans up maybe an hour ago, and they're dang near dry. Anyway, in this video, we show you how we mounted this box and how we set it up. We did all this because we have solar now, and our dryer is still hooked up to the commercial power, so we thought, hey, let's see what we can do to even make that even smaller, get that bill smaller. Anyway, this video is on how we did it. Thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button. All right, so yes, it's summertime. It's time to put a clothesline up. Our old one broke, so we're putting in a new one. Bought this on Amazon. It's a retractable. It's supposed to hold up to 50 pounds. We're going to go ahead and install this. We're going to run it off of that pole and then hook it up to a couple posts here off of our patio. Let's get started. Okay, so we got the sun catcher pulled down. We got this mounted up here. Got it level on the post, on the old pole. And obviously you're going to have to set one side and then kind of balance it on the round pole. But when we're set for that, let's go ahead and mount that box up on it. I'm going to reshoot this, how to pull these out. So just grab your little black part of the line, end of the line, take it over to the hook, hanging on the post. That easy. Come back over here to this end. You take the line that you just pulled, right, and you pull it tight. So get it tight around so it's taut. Get it as tight as you can, then just wrap it like 3 times. And then just go back up into the retractor. And you're tight. It's not even moving. That's all there is to it. Pretty easy. Like I said, this is going to pay off good. We put these jeans out here maybe an hour ago, and they're almost, I would say they're 30 minutes and they're going to be dry. It's not even hot out here. It's maybe 60 degrees. Anyway, it's a great investment, I think. All right, so I'm guessing this is actually a pretty good investment for the money we're going to save in power this summer, drying clothes. I think it's a pretty good setup. So basically you got your string going across, hooking it to that pole. And like I said, we put those so they're not too tall so you can't reach them. You know, make them just high enough to where you can get the hook on them. And the hook is this plastic thing, but if this plastic thing ever broke, you could just put a hook in the end of, you know, the rope there. But this plastic thing is just hooked to that hook, comes across. And at this end, pull your slack. So start with the retractable side, right? So here you go. Pull your actual clothesline tight. Wrap it around this thing 2 times. And let it just go back into the retractor. That was pretty easy even with one hand. And then, I mean, that's putting quite a bit of torque on it. It's not hardly moving that thing at all. I think I'm actually moving the pole. So yeah, there's a lot of torque on that. I'm impressed. I'll put a link to that little device, to the box, on the description. Have a great day, guys.